Save time installing your guardrail systems with this simple hack. The quickest way to assemble your guardrail system is to set up your posts first. After this is done, the whole system fits together easily. To speed up post assembly even more and get the right midrail height, use a pre-made jig. Here is how. Add the top fitting to your post and tighten the set screw. Insert the top of your jig into the top fitting. Align the midrail fitting to the bottom fitting on your jig. Tighten set screws and repeat for each post. Saved time and money. Claim your pre-made jig today. Reach out at fallsafetysolutions.com/contact.